Welcome back, viewers. In the last video, we have seen how to use Garuda Linux to update your system. So we had used this system update using the Garuda Linux. Now the system is updated, more than 1000 packages were updated. So there will be definitely some orphan packages. So to remove the orphan packages, you have to use this button, remove orphan package, orphans or the orphan packages. So this will run a script that will uninstall the orphan packages automatically. So let us do it. You have to provide your password, sudo password. So here you can see there are some packages which are orphan and that can be installed safely. And whenever you uninstall the orphan packages, the snapper performs the pre and the post snapshot. So you can roll back if the system faces issue after the removal of the orphan packages. So it is a very stable system and very secure. If anything happens, you can just roll back your system to the earlier time. So the system is again functional. So it is done. You can see here 13 packages were removed using the remove orphan packages script. So whenever you press any buttons inside the Garuda Assistant, the buttons will activate a script. The script will run in the terminal and the actions will be done. So whatever the actions or whatever you want to do, for example, if you press on the system update button, the system update script will run and it will automatically update your system. If you use the remove orphans button, the remove orphan script will be activated in the terminal and it will remove the orphan packages from your system. So with this, I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out some more features of the Garuda Assistant. Bye bye.